musical scale is any set of musical notes ordered by fundamental frequency or pitch. A collection of notes that sounds good together. Not to be confused with the slimy scales of a fish. Yuck.
When playing a C major scale, all you gotta do is find the C key. We talked about this a little bit when we did our Joy to the World video. You remember that?
Yeah.
Yeah. So when there's 2 black keys and 3 black keys and 2 black keys, that is a pattern that repeats all down your piano, right, bub?
Like this.
Yep, pretty much, just like that. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. One finger. That's all you need. Yeah, C major scale. That one's easy, right, bub?
Yeah.
Why is that so easy? I don't know. Well, it's all white keys for one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Start from right there. Sorry. There you go. There you go. Good job, Noah. High five. Yes. Is that easy? Anybody can play that, right? That's the C major scale. That's easy. What makes that one easy? It's just all.
This one.
Yeah, it's just all white keys, right?
But it looks like this.
Yeah. So C major scale. Is C major scale easy, bud? Yeah.
But it looks like this.
Yeah, it looks like just playing the white keys, right? So anybody can play it. C major scale with one finger. One more time, ready? Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Piece of cake. Now, if you get a piano teacher, they can teach you the correct fingering, which actually involves fingers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 going. Okay? But for all intents and purposes today, we're just going to use the one finger. Watch this. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. You don't want to skip any keys. You're going from C to C.
Thanks for watching the video. Like and subscribe.
I go crazy.
Ah.